everyone, I'm Priya from Chakriti Software, and today in this presentation we are going to discuss how URL aliasing is done. Today's tip comes from Ranjit Paliwal, a software developer at Chakriti. Ranjit is a born techie and has flair for learning new technologies all the time. Thank you Ranjit for this valuable tip. We appreciate your contribution. Drupal by default generates web pages with unique IDs, and these URLs are not user-friendly. Example of such URL xyz.com/001 or xyz.com/456, etc. These URLs does not make any impact as far as browsers, servers are concerned. However, for humans, it becomes very difficult to understand or draw any meaningful information from the URLs. Through URL aliasing, we can make the URLs more attractive and meaningful so that it can give user a brief idea of web page content. Moreover, if we use clean URLs with keywords, it is believed to have a positive impact on SEO of the website. Let's see how we can do the URL aliasing. To explain it in a better way, I am taking one of the sites that Chakriti has built as an example. When I am dragging the pointer to one of the profile, then at the bottom you can see the URL of this profile page. In this URL you can see user/361, which is a unique ID for this web page. If you notice, this URL is not giving any information of the web page, so we are taking this URL for aliasing process. Go to site building, select modules and then select list. Enable the path auto module. Path auto module is used by the modules for automatically create alias for the content managed by them. To enable path auto module, make sure that you have path and token modules installed in your system. Save the changes by clicking on Save Configuration. After saving the changes, click on Site Building, go to URL aliases and select Add Alias. In Add Alias, fill these areas. In existing system path, you need to type in the current URL of a web page you want to alias. In path alias, type the alternative path of URL through which the data of that web page can be accessed. For example, if you type about in URL, then the web page should contain the content about the page. One thing to keep in mind is to never add trailing slash, otherwise the URL alias won't work. Now click on Create New Alias. Go to Node Paths. In these fields, we give path or alias URL for every node. Like in default path pattern, we are giving alias URL. Here, type name defines the content type on a web page. In node path, we type URLs which give the idea of content type of a web page. In ask expert path, we have mentioned expert answer in path, and in care tip path, we have mentioned tips so that URL can define that the web page content is about tips. Scroll down the page. You can see the tokens like CCK content taxonomy, CCK name, etc. These tokens are used for the replacement value. For example, in order to change the value of any node taxonomy or user, you just need to select respective token, and that token will extract its value for replacing directly from the database. If you click on CCK taxonomy, you will get a list of tokens. These tokens are used to pick up the value of nodes directly from the database, or we can say it is used for the replacement value for different nodes. Same case is with the CCK name and CCK numbers. Scroll down the page once again. You will get the taxonomy term path section. In this section, you will type the alias URL for taxonomy. After that, save the configuration. In replacement patterns, these tokens are used for replacing the value of user directly from database. That means if you want to change any information of user, then you can copy the respective token on the current URL. Then that token will pick up the respective value from the database for replacement. Scroll down and save the configuration. So we have aliased the URL. Now if we drag the pointer onto the same profile, here you will see different and aliased URL. If you notice carefully, this URL is giving idea of the content type. Name of the user's profile is Golden State Dental Group and 361 is unique ID. In this way we can make the URLs clean and meaningful. Thank you.